Is the air inside your car clean? Is the air inside your engine clean? Today, we'll learn how to change the cabin and engine air filters for Mitsubishi Mirage Hatchback and G4. I bought this cabin air filter from Lazada. This is the cheapest branded air filter that I saw there. My cabin filter is more than 1 year old now, so I decided to change it. This is the part number for this filter if in case you want this. Or you can just search using the car's model and append the part name. To start, slide the passenger seat backwards for extra working space. Open the glove box. Then pull the box towards you. You will see the cover of the air filter. Push the latch leftwards, then pull towards you to remove the cover. You will immediately see the filter. Pull the air filter by pushing it by finger from the top. Compare the old and new filters to see if they are of the same size. When installing, install this side facing to you and upwards. Just insert the cabin filter. Insert this protruded part of the cover into the inlet at the left side. Then push the right side for the latch to lock. To put back the glove box, align this protrusion to the bracket, then push inwards. Then push upwards until the side stoppers are in. Don't worry, the glove box is flexible. That's it, we're done for the cabin air filter. Now let's go to the driver's side to open the engine bay hood. Gently pull these to clips leftwards. Be careful, because I saw some folks breaking this part. Pull the front part of the air filter assembly. Pull the air filter out. This is the inside facing part of the filter. It looks clean, but it should be clean. While this is the outside facing part, it's not so dirty, but it's already almost 2 years now, so I'm changing it. I bought this as well from Lazada along with the cabin filter. Again, this is the part number for your reference. Inspect that the front-facing side is clean, and most importantly, that there are no geared part, holes, or gaps. Place the new filter so that it seats flush to the back of the air filter assembly. Then put back the cover and clip properly. That's it, we're done. You can reuse the boxes for your old filters for proper disposal. Thank you for watching our trip.